All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash. The market has given us some volatility since we last did our video. You guys can see right here on November the 15th, the market did go lower first. Before you guys can see on the 21st of November, it came and hit our stop loss. Market did go down and has broken through these first two pockets and nested right there at that third pocket. You guys can really see that there. We had our ultimate TP price all the way down there around $420. You guys can see that that's not the case. Buyers came in a lot sooner than that, right here around $450. So we're going to talk about the market in Bitcoin Cash real quick to see if the market's going to continue to go up. Because if so, then we're going to go ahead and get rid of this prediction and anticipate how high we think the price is going to go. Because currently that's what I'm kind of leaning towards, is for this cryptocurrency to begin to go higher. So first of all, let's go ahead and get rid of this prediction here. I'm not sure where we had our targets at. Because if we did have a target right here, this third buy pocket, then Bitcoin Cash did come and hit that on the 21st, 5.84%. Outside of that, we was tagged at the stop loss on the same day at 12% down right there. So let's get rid of that. Now, the next thing we're going to do is completely get rid of the non-important buy pockets to where, and the sell pockets to where price has exceeded those areas. And now you guys can see we got a cleaner area that we need to focus in on for Bitcoin Cash. We will also get rid of this downtrend line into the market in Bitcoin Cash because the market is no longer trading below it. So now I think you guys can really see now that this area right here is plaguing the buyers. The market came here and topped it twice, and the market reacted twice in Bitcoin Cash, but not as much this second time as it did the first time. The market in Bitcoin Cash, once it hit this sell pocket, ran all the way down to $460. Buyers brought the market back to the sell pocket, and they only were able to bring price down to $520. So the buyers are definitely showing a little bit more emphasis in holding price than the sellers are. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add right here a buy pocket for Bitcoin Cash. Now here it is on the this 2-day bar right here resembles, just as I said earlier, that these buyers came in a lot sooner than what they did the first time that the market came and hit that sell pocket. They came in quicker. They bought a lot faster than when the market ran all the way down to $455. So that's pretty good to see that. Here it is on the 3 as well. Not that much volatility in the sense of volume on this 3-day price bar, but the market was definitely moving higher and it definitely went down. For us to see the market close pretty close to where we open on this 3-day price bar kind of lets us know that the market is still trying to be washed out between the buyers and the sellers on who wants to move this price. Look at this on the 4. Okay, so this is the 4-day chart in Bitcoin Cash, and I actually like it. This has definitely shown itself as a very strong buy pocket in Bitcoin Cash. Now we got 7 hours and 13 minutes on this current 4-day bar, but even this last 4-day bar, literally the spread of it encompassed all of these 4-day price bars all in one bar. Okay, so that means something. It means that these buyers are more motivated than the sellers are. That's very good to see that if you're a buyer. Here it is on the 5. The 5-day chart simply lets me know that that sell pocket that we mentioned earlier in the video, it is still plaguing the buyers. Okay, you guys can see it right there. The volume was extremely high too on that 5-day bar. Look at that volume, but the spread is a lot smaller than the prior 5 days. So either the buyers are in here buying, not allowing the market to go a lot lower, or the sellers are selling to the point where eventually the buyers will get tired and then the market in Bitcoin Cash will take another dump. I don't think that's the case right now. I definitely think that that's the buyers really trying to hold the market. Okay, so here it is on the weekly chart. It looks even a little bit more bullish on the weekly, considering all of these weekly price bars right here and how price is not trending down. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Bitcoin Cash on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And for the month, this is currently, we've got 2 days and 8 hours. And if the market closes up here at the high of this monthly bar, then yeah, I will have to give the market to the buyers and not the sellers right now. Okay, so now here it is on the hourly chart. I want to see the buyers. And currently you guys can definitely see them. The market is not trying to go down. Okay, so that's 11. Look at this on the 5. You guys can see even off of this weakness bar right here in Bitcoin Cash, the market still didn't went down. It still went up instead. So definitely the emphasis is on the buyers right now. Here it is on the 3. I like it on the 3 hour too. Here it is on the 1 hour. So you guys can see how there's always somebody into the market in Bitcoin Cash trying to step in and keep this market from falling, right? That's how you can tell if the market is being bought by buyers, because they're not letting this volume, this price movement try to break lower. They're stopping in, they're stepping in right here, trying to lift this market up in Bitcoin Cash. So I definitely like it. So let's go ahead and anticipate and predict that this cryptocurrency is going to try to go higher in price. We're still going to target though this first sell pocket, because we already could see the reaction previously that it was plaguing these buyers. So around 3.5 to like 4.5%. That's going to be our first target. Then our next target is going to be at the low of this next sell pocket around 580. Then our third target is going to be all the up there around 602, 10.87% right there. All right, so that's actually it. I'm done. Real quick video, not that long. We can actually anticipate by simply looking at what everyone else is up to, what they're trying to do, and we just try to come in and analyze it and try to see which side of the market is favored the most. So now you guys are up. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.